Now let's see how to divide decimal fraction by integer. Decimal fraction is 0.81. Something that has point into it is a decimal fraction divided by 9. This is decimal number, and as it is written in the form of fraction, it becomes decimal fraction. So to divide, as is, you can divide it by normal way. So it is 0 as it is, 8 down, 8, then I'll take this 1 down, so this is equal to 0.09. In case after division, if you get something in the recurring form, you can always write by. For an example, if it becomes 3.145145, you can write down as 3.145 recurring.